Hello everyone, we are here at Honda's unveiling of new range of accessories for the Highness CB350 and the CB350 RS. There are a total of 6 customization options, 4 for the Highness and 2 for the RS. As you know, a lot of Highness riders might want to take their motorcycle for touring, and that's exactly what Honda has done in this customization kit. So you've got a long windshield, a pair of knuckle guards, fork gaiters, chromed out engine guards, a sump guard, flat or foot pegs, different seat, saddle stays, and a luggage rack. What do you think about this kit? Let us know in the comments below. If comfort is the king, His Highness offers this comfort customization kit. It gets all the goodies from the tourer variant, and in addition to that, it also gets a cushioned pillion backrest. If you are a lone ranger, this customization kit is the perfect companion for you. It's got a short fly screen, chromed out engine guards, a different solo seat, and a solo carrier. Talking about self-love, well, you can get your Highness this Cafe Racer customization kit. It comes with a color-coded headlight cowl, fork gaiters, chromed out engine guards, aluminum sump guard from the CB350 RS, premium stickers on the fuel tank, a solo seat, and a cowl at the rear. And all the Highness customization kits come with this chrome embellishment on the sides. Well, this concludes the customization kits for the Highness. And if you are a CB350 RS owner, well, Honda has got your back. Well, say hi to the Cafe Racer kit for the Honda CB350 RS. It gets all the bits as the Cafe Racer kit of the Highness, and in addition to that, instead of the solo seat, it gets the stock seat but with the removable pillion cowl. For those days where you don't want to go solo. For the road sailing CB350 RS, Honda offers this SUV custom kit. It's got a fly screen, knuckle guards, color-coded rim stickers, a chromed out engine guard, and a pair of saddle stays. Well, what do you think about this SUV? Let us know in the comments below. So these are the customization kits Honda offers as part of the My CB My Way program. The pricing, warranty and other details will be revealed soon, and make sure you follow us on our social media handles, and if you have any queries, let us know over there. Until then, ciao.